Hey there, Pixel Pirates. Today, we're turning static snapshots into talking, moving videos that'll make your followers do a double take. That's right, you can turn that dusty old photo on your desk into your next viral video star. Buckle up, because we're about to turn your static memories into dynamic digital marvels.
By the end, you'll be crafting jaw-dropping talking head videos faster than you can say deepfake. Let's jump in and unlock the power of Hedra AI. Hedra is currently in beta stage, so at the moment it's free to use. Just click the link below and head on over.
While you're down there, join my crew of Pixel Pirates and bang that subscribe button. As always, thanks to my subscribers. I really appreciate your ongoing support. Sign in with your preferred method. Click the Try Beta button. Now, Hedra's interface is very straightforward, making this an absolute dream for anyone to use. And at the moment, you can use it over and over for free, so you can have a ton of fun trying all sorts of things out with it. Here's how it works. You can upload an audio file in MP3 or WAV format. You can even use a song. Or simply type in text and generate your audio using the pre-made voices from the drop-down menu here. Preview what they sound like by clicking the little play button. Unfortunately, you are limited to around the first 27 seconds of audio from any uploaded file, and only 300 characters of text, but at this point, with its uncapped service, you can create multiple short videos and, if needed, edit them together in your favorite video editor. Next, upload an image. Now, I've tried lots of images, and things such as animals, creatures, don't seem to work as it can't recognize the face, which is needed for the software to work correctly.
So, you may need to experiment with image creation to make sure you have an image with some human facial features. Otherwise, Hedra just doesn't accept the image. Also, it's best to have images with a decent mouth visible to get a good lip sync effect for the final video generation.
After that, you can click Generate, and Hedra will make a 27-second video using the image and audio or text. Now there are a few icons here to change the seed, generate a prompt here, and also some settings, but they only work if you haven't entered an image already into the character box. All your creations are visible below in the My Library. You can easily download them, they all will have the Hedra watermark on them and generally outputs are MP4 format, 512 by 512 pixels, and frame rate of 30 frames per second. Well, that wraps it up for now, Pixel Pirates, so until the next video, be lucky, be safe, and be creative, and thank you for watching.